Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I've got something really relaxing yet really motivating. Since I've been home, I've actually been able to pretty much keep on top of all of my house cleaning and laundry. So I try to do something every single day just to tidy up and make sure that all of the rooms are kept up and my laundry is taken care of. So today I just figured I would bring you guys along with me to just show you what I do to make sure that everything stays clean throughout the house. And I'm pretty much going to go through every room. I'm going to get some dishes done, some laundry done, my vacuuming and things like that. So I figured I would bring you guys along and just kind of let you see what I do on a daily basis just to make sure that I stay on top of everything.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
So here in the kitchen, I really didn't have a whole lot to do on this day. I really just needed to unload my dishwasher, make sure that my appliances and my counters were wiped off, and I actually did my floor off camera. But if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I just posted a reel on how I'm doing my floors at the moment. I actually saw this on TikTok and I had to give it a try. If you're not following me on Instagram, the link to that is going to be in my description box. Go and check that out for sure. It is definitely now my new favorite way to mop my floors. I was super surprised at how clean they came out, and the smell was absolutely amazing.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got a style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
Also for today's video, I kind of wanted to just keep it really relaxed and not really speed up a whole lot because I didn't take like the entire day to clean my house. It literally took me only about an hour, and because I've got a small house, it definitely does not take me that much of my day. So I just kind of wanted this to be like a real-time clean with me. If you guys enjoy videos like this, definitely let me know. I'm always trying to switch things up and make things a little bit different for you guys. I know that cleaning the same house and the same rooms in the same ways over and over again can kind of get repetitive, so I'm always looking for ways to change things up and make it more enjoyable for you guys to watch. So again, if you like videos like this, definitely let me know by either dropping me a comment or simply giving this video a thumbs up. As you can see, my house was not extremely messy, but I did want to make sure that I got some of the main things done, which was get a load of laundry done, make sure that my kitchen was straight, make sure that my bed was made, and everything was picked up in the floors and that everything got vacuumed. I know that some days we either don't have a lot of time or we just don't want to spend a lot of time on cleaning our house, but I have found that since being home, if I just took like an hour out of the day and made sure that the main things were taken care of, it definitely helped me keep everything together and tidy. So on the weekends when I do a major cleaning, it definitely does help and I don't have so much to do.
at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's one thing.
So one thing that is always a constant in our house is picking up dog toys, vacuuming dog hair, and cleaning off our nightstands. Yes, those are contacts from the night before. Sometimes I just don't want to get up and go to the bathroom to throw them away, but I'll always grab them the next day. And I've always got something to take and put back into the dishwasher. We've always got either a glass or a cup or a can or something in there, and I'm always cleaning off those nightstands. Let me know if you guys have the same problem. And of course, I had a load of laundry to fold, and I've also got another load that I'm going to get right into the washer. That way I can get that one dried and folded before the day is over as well.
Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all. So I'll try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night. Could it be that I'm lucky to have found someone who is just as crazy as me? Or is it just in my mind? Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night. Come back to my place, we can dance the night away. My heart is screaming out for you. I want you here with me so that everything will be as good as they were last night. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night.
Now I'm on to my next load of laundry, and I just quickly wanted to ask you guys, because obviously I'm about out of my detergent. Not too long ago we had gone to Sam's and I decided to pick up one of the Members Mark laundry detergents and try that. I've never used it before and I've not gotten a chance to use it yet. Probably within the next couple of loads that I do, I'll be able to open that up. But if you guys have used that, let me know how you enjoy it. I also wanted to try the fabric softener, but I'm not quite ready to purchase any more yet, but I will definitely go and get that if I enjoy the washing detergent. And I think I've mentioned it in a video before, but I'm not like dead set on one certain detergent or fabric softener. I've really only truly used Tide. I've actually used Arm & Hammer before as well, and I really liked that. And I've also used Persil, and I absolutely loved that, but it is a little bit pricey, so I always fall back on my Tide. But I'm never one that's like, this is what I'm going to use. I will not try anything else. Honestly, as long as it gets my stuff clean, I will try anything. So I'm also curious to see what you guys use. So if you have a favorite, definitely drop it in the comments. That way I can go and check them out too. But right now I'm going to go and vacuum my living room. And another thing I've been doing lately is kind of like doing a slow vacuum. I don't know why, but sometimes when I rewatch my videos, I'm like, girl, you need to slow down. You might not even be getting all of that dog hair up. Now this clip is actually sped up just a little bit, only because it would have taken forever for you guys to see it, but I'm going a little bit slower, and I have noticed a huge difference, to be honest with you. I've been having to empty out my little dirt cup more, and I also like to go over it in a couple different directions too, only because of the dog hair, and you know how dog hair just sticks to everything so horribly bad, and I can definitely tell a difference since I've been doing that. And also with this new vacuum, I love using this handheld. I still use my Chom Chom, but I have noticed that this really does do a wonderful job on my couch, and you can see Bodhi over there staring in disgust, and in all honesty it is his fault that I have to do this anyways, but he's always got to be right there. He's got to be nosy, and that's okay. He's my little supervisor, and my videos just would not be the same without him in it.
Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all, so I'll try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did, love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night. Could it be that I'm lucky to have found someone who is just as crazy as me? Or is it just in my mind? Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did, love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night. Come back to my place.
So now that my bathroom and the rest of the house is clean, the last thing that I'm going to do for the day is switch out my wax. You guys know this is my favorite way to do it. Just throw some cotton balls in there, let those soak up, and you can cleanly and quickly switch out your scents. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Also, make sure you're subscribed before you leave. And if you're a fellow YouTuber, I'm going to be hosting an open collab on August the 2nd. If you would like to join, leave me your Instagram in the comments below, and I will be reaching out to you. As always, I love you and appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.
We can dance the night away. My heart is screaming out for you. I want you here with me so that everything will be as good as they were last night.